Best apology messages that melt his heart. Apologizing with sincerity can mend even the deepest rifts in a relationship. When choosing the right words, it's essential to convey genuine remorse, love, and a desire to make things right. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 heartfelt apology messages that are sure to melt his heart and pave the way for healing. 1. The honest confession, I hurt you, and I deeply regret it. What I can do now is learn from my mistakes and prove that I care about you more than anything. 2. The thoughtful admission, I didn't think before I spoke, and I hurt you. I'm sorry for the pain I caused. I'll be more mindful of your feelings moving forward. 3. The vulnerable apology, every time I think of how I hurt you, my heart aches. I'm truly sorry and hope you can forgive me. 4. The commitment to change, I know words aren't enough, but I'm committed to showing you how much I care. Please allow me the chance to make things right. 5. The heartfelt regret, I never intended to hurt you, but I did. Please forgive me for my thoughtlessness. I promise to be better. 6. The emotional plea, I see the pain I caused and wish I could take it all away. I am deeply sorry for the hurt I've caused you. 7. The loving reassurance, I love you, and my actions were a mistake. I will do everything to prove that you mean the world to me. 8. The poetic apology, I regret my actions, and my heart is heavy with sorrow. Please forgive me, and allow me to show you how much I truly care. 9. The empathetic apology, I understand the pain I've caused, and I am deeply sorry. You didn't deserve that, and I will make things right. 10. The grateful apology, I am so grateful for you, and I regret the hurt I've caused. You deserve better, and I will do whatever it takes to earn your forgiveness. These sincere apologies can help rebuild trust and show your commitment to change. Let these words guide you in expressing genuine remorse and affection. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.